In today's lecture, we will discuss the nature of gas constant R. R is a universal gas constant which is derived from the equation of ideal gases or gaseous state equation of ideal gases. The nature includes first the dimensions of R, and secondly we will discuss the units of R. The dimensions of R can be taken in three terms: in terms of pressure, in terms of force, and in terms of work. From ideal gas equation, R value of R is given by PV upon N into T. Here P is the pressure, V is the volume, and N is the number of moles, T is the temperature. So the first is, as shown in this equation, you can see pressure into volume upon moles into temperature. Now in terms of force, we know that pressure is equal to force upon area. Substituting this formula in place of pressure, we get force upon area into volume per mole per temperature. Now volume can be in terms of length. Volume is equal to length cube, area is equal to length square. Putting these values, we get, that is, force upon length square into length cube upon mole into temperature. By simple mathematics, this is equal to force into length upon mole into temperature. Now we know that force into length is equal to work done. Therefore, thirdly we can discuss the dimension of R in terms of work, which is equal to work per mole per temperature. Now since the dimensions of work is equal to the dimensions of energy, therefore R can be given in terms of energy, and this is equal to R is equal to energy per degree per mole, or this can also be written as energy per Kelvin per mole when the degree is measured in Kelvin. Now secondly, the numerical value of R. Since the work, energy, pressure, forces are the terms which are expressed in different units for the values of R. Therefore, the values of R will be different in each terms. First, we will discuss in terms of liter atmosphere. At NTP, that is normal temperature and pressure, 1 mole of gas occupies 22.4 liters of gas at 1 atmospheric pressure, and for 1 mole of gas, R is equal to PV upon N into T. Therefore, in liter atmosphere, P, substituting these value, we get 1 atmosphere into 22.4 liters upon 1 into 273 degrees, because we know that 0 degree centigrade is equal to 273 Kelvin. On solving this, 1 into 22.4 upon 273, we get the numerical answer. This is equal to 0.0821 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. Therefore, this is the numerical value of R in liter atmosphere. Secondly, now in CGS system, energy is expressed in ergs. We know that pressure is equal to H into D into G, where H is the height of Mercury, D is the density of Mercury, and G is the gravitational force when measured by barometer. This is equal to, or putting these values, we get 76 into 13.6 into 981 dynes centimeters. This is equal to On solving this or multiplying this, we get 1.0133 into 10 raised to the power of 6 dynes per centimeter square pressure. Substituting this value in R, we get R is equal to 1.013 into 10 raised to the power of 6 into 22,414 when converting liter into cubic centimeters upon 1 mole into 273 Kelvin. Solving this, we get 8.314 into 10 raised to the power of 7 dyne centimeter per Kelvin per mole. Now we know that dyne centimeter is equal to erg. Therefore, this is also equal to 8.314 into 10 raised to the power of 7 erg per Kelvin per mole. When expressing in joules, we get this numerical value equal to 8.314 joules per Kelvin per mole. And when this work is expressed in calories, we know that if you divide it by calorie, we get 1.987 calorie per mole per Kelvin. Now, in SI system, pressure is expressed in Pascal, volume in cubic meter. Now again substituting as we did in CGS system, pressure is equal to 1.013 into 10 raised to the power of 5 Pascal, which is equal to 1.013 into 10 raised to the power of 5 newtons meter square. Substituting these values in R, we get for PV upon N into T, this is equal to 1.03 into 10 raised to the power of 5 Newton meter square multiplied by 22.4 into 10 raised to the power of minus 3 meter cubic meters upon 1 mole into 273 Kelvin. On solving this, we get 8.314 Pascal cubic meter per Kelvin per mole. Pascal cubic meter is equal to Newton meter. Therefore, this is equal to 8.314 Newton meter per Kelvin per mole. This is equal to 8.3 joules per Kelvin per mole.